Hey guys, if you are wondering why bypass charging is not working on your Samsung phone, then let me quickly explain. First of all, you have to use the proper charger. So take a look. Now in my case it's actually grayed out, but if I'm gonna connect my super fast charger from Motorola, it's working. Now I can just simply click on this one and it turns on. But as you can see over here, we got this description that the bypass charging only works when you have USB power delivery charger. So we have the PPS compatible, and also we have to get 25 watts or higher, and our smartphone battery must be above 20%. So this is the key feature, the charger with PPS supply. If you don't have this one in your charger, the bypass charging is not gonna work. So even when you connect charger, like in my case, you will be still not able to click on this button. And that's basically everything for this video.